Welcome in Arithmetic Progression Part 3, Class 10 as well as 11 Mathematics. In this part, we are going to find sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. In the previous part, we discussed arithmetic progression and its nth term. And in the second part, we solved some problems also. Now, in this part, we are going to find sum of an arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression, if a is the first term and d is the common difference, then if a is the first term and d is the common difference, then what will be the terms of the progression? First term is a. What will be second term? ये होगा आपका a plus d will be the second term. What will be third term? 2d, is not it? And so on, it will continue. What will be nth term? Nth term, let us denote by writing Tn. Suppose this is your nth term. Okay. What will be the term बिफोर दिस Tn? Tn के पहले वाला टर्म क्या होगा? Tn माइनस डी. देखिए फिर से, इफ a इज द फर्स्ट टर्म and d is the common difference of an arithmetic progression, then first term is a, second term can be written as a plus d, third term can be written as a plus 2d, dd बढ़ता जा रहा है. Last term, let us denote it by Tn, nth term. n minus 1 term, उसके पहले वाला, उससे d कम होगा. d बढ़ता जा रहा है ना, तो उधर से आएंगे तो d कम करेंगे. इसके आगे वाला, इसके आगे वाला होगा Tn minus 2d. Is not it? Tn, उसके पहले वाला Tn minus d, उसके आगे वाला Tn minus 2d, इसके आगे वाला Tn minus 3d and so on. इधर से आएगा. And from this side, a plus d, a plus 2d, इस तरह से. ये है n terms of an arithmetic progression. We want to find this. सबको ऐड कर दीजिए, जो यहाँ ऐड ऑलरेडी कर दिया. ये आपको निकालना है. फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म अप टू nth term. This sum is denoted by writing Sn. Sn means sum of an arithmetic progression up to n term. n term तक का sum. I hope you have understood what we are going to do here. ये sum आपको निकालना है. By finding the sum, we can find the sum of any arithmetic progression up to any number of terms. Let us find it first. So this is denoted by suppose Sn. Now once again, Sn can be written as, right from that side, इसको अगर ऐसा लिख दें Tn, फिर लिख दिए Tn minus d, इसको लिख दिए Tn minus 2d. What will be here? A minus 2d, फिर a minus d, and finally a. Same thing, a to Tn, Tn to a written in the reverse order. So this is same. So this is also Sn, is not it? Adding, ये दोनों को ऐड कीजिए. Adding means left hand side will be added, right hand side will be added. Left hand side, add Sn 2Sn, and this side add these two, a plus Tn. Okay, add these two, dd cancel, a plus Tn. Add these two, 2d minus 2d plus 2d cancel, a plus tn. In this way it will continue. Here 2d cancel, a plus tn. In this way you will get, if you add both the series. Now what will happen? A plus tn, a plus tn, a plus tn. How many a plus tn are there? 1 2 3 4 5 करके कितना a plus tn है? यहाँ तक है ना. n terms were there. So 1 2 3 4, these are also n terms. A plus tn, a plus tn, it is n times. So it can be written as n into a plus tn. Is not it? So we can write Sn equal to n by 2 within bracket a plus tn is the formula for finding the sum of an arithmetic progression up to n term. What is n by 2 a plus tn? That is n by 2. What is n? Number of term. A plus tn. What is a? First term. First term plus tn. Tn means last term. End term, you can say. In this way. So sum of an arithmetic progression up to n term can be written as n by 2 first term plus end term, last term, or you can say last term, is the formula for finding the sum of an arithmetic progression. N by 2 first term plus last term, or you can simplify it in this way: n by 2 a plus tn. Tn is what? Nth term. Nth term can be written as a plus n minus 1 into d. So this can also be written as n by 2 within bracket, it is a plus a, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is also formula for finding nth term, sum up to nth term of an arithmetic progression. Sn, value of Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula will be used when first term and last term are given and number of term also given. Then n by 2 first term plus last term, or if last term not given but number of term given and first term and common difference given, then we use this n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ये तभी यूज करेंगे जब फर्स्ट टर्म दिया हुआ रहेगा, कॉमन डिफरेंस दिया हुआ रहेगा, नंबर ऑफ टर्म दिया हुआ रहेगा. अगर फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म दिया हुआ है, नंबर ऑफ टर्म दिया हुआ, तो ये भी यूज कर सकते हैं to get the sum up to n term. So this and this you have to remember as a formula for Sn, sum up to n term, n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I hope you have understand this. Now we see a simple example for the application of this formula. Let us see an example. Find the sum of the series. Find the sum of the series. Which series? 99 plus 95 plus 91 and so on to 20 term to this you have to find. Find the sum of the series 99, 95, 91 up to 20th term. ये sum आपको निकालना है. First of all, check whether it is in AP or not. Here 95 minus 99 is minus 4. 91 minus 95 is also minus 4. And hence it is in AP, because difference of any term and its preceding term is always constant. Hence it is an AP with common difference is minus 4 and first term is 99. You have to find sum up to 20th term, means you have to calculate here S20. Sn denotes sum up to n term, so S20 denotes sum up to 20th term. So what is the formula here? Last term is not given, first term is there, common difference is there, and how many terms are there? 20 terms. So we use this n by 2 within bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula will be used to get the sum up to 20th term. Here n means 20, up to 20 term you have to find this sum. 2a is 99, n minus 1 into d. By simplifying, whatever come, that will be the sum up to 20th term. It is 10, it is 98, it is 19, it will be minus 19 into 4, 10 into 198 minus so let us subtract. How much it is? 8 minus 6, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 1, and if you multiply it by 10, it will gives you 1220. Is this sum? If you go on adding up to 20th term, it will come 1220. So in this way we can find sum of this series up to 20th term. So I hope you have understood how to find sum of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so in this video this much. In the next video we solve different types of problems based on summation of arithmetic progression. Thank you.